I made this earring with this carton tube, guys. So this carton tube, you can get it from the trash. You can get it around you. You can go to where they sell fabric. You know, they use this carton tube to wrap fabric. When the fabric finished, they throw the carton tube away. It's of no use to them. So you can go to where they sell fabric. You don't have to buy this. You can go to where they sell fabric. Ask them if they can give you carton tube. They will. They will give you. So, as you can see, my husband called this carton tube for me. You can ask your husband. You can ask your boyfriend, your brother, your dad. Men around you, you can ask them to cut this carton tube for you. If you can cut it yourself too. But if you can't, and your brothers, your husband, and all these people don't want to cut it for you, you can go to your neighbor to cut this. Somebody to cut this carton tube is not a problem, guys. I promise you. For me, it's not a problem. I don't think it's a problem for you. So, without further ado, let's dive to this DIY. This is how I measure my carton tube. Whatever the measurement is, even if it's small, is this size, is bigger, this is how to measure it. I'll put my tape here and take it to this way. I won't measure this place, you see. I won't measure this place. Then my tube is 7.5 inches. Then I will divide this 7.5 by 2, which is 3.75 inches, 3.75 inches. Then I'll put this apart. Then I will measure 3.75 inches. This place, 3.75 inches. This is half of 7.5 inches. Then I will use my pin to hold the tape in place. If you don't have this kind of pin, you can use nail. Then I will nail it down like this. You know, it's good for you to have the pattern so that next time you will not be measuring. If you are using the same carton tube, you just bring out your pattern and draw it on your fabric. So I advise you to prepare the pattern so you can use it for future projects. Now cut it. You need wire, 2 jump rings, and earring findings. So what I will do, I'll bend my wire like so. I'll bend it. Then you just eyeball it like this. So make sure it's in the middle. Then you raise this place, because the hole I put with the drill is here. You raise this place. Then pass your wire. Like so. Then bend it. Then I will sew it gap. You don't have to sew it so close. Just give it gap to gather it. I think I explained this tutorial well, but if there's something you don't understand, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment below. You make sure it's in the middle. If you draw it, it's not in the middle, you open it like this, systemize it, then draw it again. When I tie this once like this, you see, and I leave it to tie it again, it will lose. You see, it will lose. So what I do is, this is what I do. I'll tie it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of you doing it once, you do it 4 times. Then I will tie it. You see? It won't go back. It will remain the way it is. Then I will tie it again. I like to put attack gum to just secure it. Then I'll leave it to dry. Then cut it. Then I will pass my jump ring through. Then another jump ring. This time I will pass this jump ring through the earring like so, and pass it through the first jump ring like so. I'm going to be putting cover button in my earring. You can put cover button, you can put any charm, any jewelry charm on your earrings, but I'm going to be putting cover button. I just put hot gum here like so, and I just put my cover button like this. Then I'll press it, hold it for a while, then leave it. One of my subscribers asked me to DIY this earring. I hope she likes this tutorial. Guys, tell me what you want me to DIY for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. So when you subscribe and you don't on the notification bell, you might not receive my updates. But when you subscribe and on the notification bell, anytime I put out new video, YouTube will be notifying you guys. So subscribe and on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.